So today we are going to be sculpting our jawline and reducing double chin. So this is my favorite exercise for really toning and strengthening our jaw muscle here. So what we're going to do is take the tops of our fingers here and gently just start tapping underneath our chin here. Your hand can get a little bit tired here, so you can start tapping with your other hand if you want, whatever feels best to you. But this is really wonderful for boosting that circulation and really toning and reducing double chin. Wonderful. Next, we are going to take our index finger and middle finger here and our thumb, and you're going to place your index and middle finger here on top, place your thumb underneath, and then we're going to gently pinch our jaw here, all the way out from the chin area, all the way out to our ears. We're going to do this 6 times. So much of that sagging skin and double chin that we get is due to stagnation. So when we start pinching and moving this whole area here, that's going to increase blood circulation and just kind of start toning and lifting this whole area right here. It's wonderful for releasing any tension in this area. We tend to hold so much tension here. So this is a wonderful way to also kind of relax our whole jaw area. Wonderful. Well done. These exercises are really going to help define and tone this whole area right here. So next we're going to finish up with our neck area.